Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make the best potato. This, you can use it in the skin. What I'm doing here, wash your potato. You're going to cut them in a wedge. See like this? Then I'm going to show you how to make a blend of seasoning. Okay, to make this blend, I have all-purpose, bit of paprika, salt, black pepper, mixed herbs such as sage, oregano, parsley, bit of paprika. So this is what I'm doing here. Before you put them in the oven, let's put some oil in the bottom of the pan. There's oil in the bottom of the pan. As you can hear, it start warming up. So I'm going to warm them through. Herbs. I'm adding some garlic powder. So these are ready now. What I'm going to do, I'm going to remove it off the fire and put it straight in the oven until it cooks or crispy. I'm just going to give this a bit of turn.